From today's video, we're going to get motivated and we're going to make money live. You ready for this? Awesome. This video was supposed to be a customer's training, but we decided to upload it on YouTube social media channels so everyone else learns how to make money online, even if you purchased anything from us or not. But we still consider you as our customers, our valued customers, because you are spending your valuable time with us. So we will make sure you get away from this video learning how to make money online. And if you like this, then hit the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, especially your social media timelines like Facebook, Twitter, and everywhere else. So everyone else learns how to make money online. The easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. And trust me, they will love you for sharing this information. They will follow you and eventually they will become your first customers and clients. This is how we make money, helping others with helpful information. Done? Hit the like button, share this video, and if you subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next money making video. So let's begin. Let's start with motivation. This is a screenshot from one of my Warrior Plus account. Today, yesterday, 30 days, and last month's earning. Looks so juicy, but these are not the most important numbers. The most important numbers here are these visitors. These are the valued visitors who visited our contents just like this video. They liked our content, they clicked our links and these links, and from these links they decided to purchase from us, and that's why we made money. This is exactly how we make money online, and this is the shortest and the easiest way to make money online. Okay, now let me show you how we make videos without using camera and microphone. And yes, unlike this channel, in our other 20 plus channels, we don't use cameras and microphones. We use our own artificial intelligence software, Epic. If you already have access to Epic, super awesome. Go start using it right now. And if you don't have access to Epic yet, Epic is free to start. Link is in the description. Go grab it right now. So why Epic? Because we solved all our problems using Epic. Making videos using camera and microphone is awesome. You can connect with your audience so fast, so easy, build rapport and trust, but it's exhausting. It's not easy at all. In fact, after making thousands of videos, we still need multiple shots, multiple takes to complete one video. This is not easy. Epic solved all these problems. Epic helps you make videos using AI. I'm going to show you how AI works in a moment, but Epic makes videos using texts and images. When we use Epic, we don't need to write script because Epic writes the scripts for us. How? Go to the text section, click the text generator, copy any text from anywhere, just copy, put it right here, and use any of these buttons to rewrite the text for you, and this text now is yours. Then take the regenerated text, go to the audio section, click this add button, put this text here, and click this button, and your natural sounding voiceover is ready. So when we use Epic, we use AI to rewrite our scripts. We don't use camera and we don't use microphone. We simply go to Epic, take our screenshots, copy them, paste them, put them on Epic, and make simple videos. And Epic allows us to make bite-sized videos just like this on the right hand side. You can make 10-second videos or 10-minute videos, your choice. Then save the campaign whenever you need some other things to do. Come back later, add more sections if you want, and when you are done, click this render button and the video is ready in the background. Then download your video, upload it to YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and get customers just like this. This is exactly how we make money online. Now your question is, what kind of video can you make that will attract customers? The answer is motivation. Yes, look at this. We are on ubersuggest.com and we are analyzing the traffic visitors of shopify.com. In case you don't know about Shopify, Shopify is a store builder application or platform. By the way, in case you are looking for building a store, don't worry about it. You don't need to use Shopify. Shopify is expensive and you have to spend monthly recurring fees, but we build our own Shopify replacement grants, which is linked in the description. Grants will help you get all the benefits of Shopify without spending monthly recurring fees. In any case, back to our story. Shopify has 2.2 million organic keywords that drive all the traffic, and one of the huge keyword is motivational quotes. This article here, 200 plus motivational quotes to inspire and win 2022, gets them 4.4 million monthly visitors. Oh my god. Why not I take this information as a screenshot, put some box on it for easy demonstration and a little arrow here, copy the screenshot and go to Epic, go to the image section, click the click here button, paste the image so I can make a video about it. Now if I want to add my own voiceover, it's super easy. Go to the audio section and click this microphone button and say what you want to say. Hey, this article, 200 plus motivational quotes to inspire and win 2022 on Shopify, gets 4.4 million visitors. I am done, so I'm gonna save it. Now you will find your recording in the recorded audio section. Play and say what you want to say. Hey, this article, 200 plus. Right? This is so good and so easy. You have all the options to make videos. Epic is free to start. Link is in the description. Go get it. Now if you go to YouTube and you will see motivational quotes has 19.4 million monthly searches. Most of these videos are nothing but images, text, and background music that you can easily make with Epic. The truth is, people need motivation no matter what they do. And when you build motivational quotes, videos about motivational quotes, and you motivate people, they love you, they follow you, and eventually they buy from you. Now you might be asking, how would people buy from me, especially from videos? The answer is, if you publish your videos on YouTube, then you can put your links and your affiliate links in the description of your videos. But if you publish your videos on TikTok and Instagram, you should put your links in the bio. And in your video, ask your viewers to click the link in the description and in the first comment and in the bio. Because they love your content, they follow you, they will buy from you. This is exactly how we get clicks, earn commissions, and make money online. Super simple. You can learn about hundreds of thousands of motivational quotes all around the internet. You don't need to think about it. Just search Google and put them on Epic. Epic is free for you. Link is in the description. Add some image, add some nice text, add some background music, your own voiceover if you want, text to voice if you want, and publish those videos all over the internet. YouTube and other social media sites will send you customers and you will make money. Start today. Link is in the description. Basically, all the links are in the description. Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it, so you learn how to make money online the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. Hit the like button, share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, especially your social media timelines. And when you share this video, your social media friends and connections will love you, follow you, and eventually they will become your first customers and clients. This is how we started, and we still do it, and hundreds of thousands of other people are doing it, and you can do it too. Start today. Hit the like button, share this video, and if you subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next money making video, and we will see you in the next